Alright, 7.1, I'm going to do 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, all questions related to this graph here. It tells us the initial position at time equals 0 is 15, so we've got a particle that starts at 15, and then we've got a velocity graph. And the 4, 5, 24 represent the areas of those regions, and we're trying to find, in number 12, the displacement from 0 to c. So displacement means change in position. So we went 4 to the left, then we went 5 to the right because it's positive area, and then I've got below the x-axis or t-axis would be another negative, so backwards 24. So let's see, it looks like it's negative 23. I don't know if they say feet or anything. I'll just say, oh, I guess it is centimeters. So negative 23 centimeters would be the displacement from 0 to c. The distance, well, we went 4 to the left, 5 to the right, so total we're looking at 33 centimeters is how much we traveled, or the particle traveled. Number 14, we want to know its position at A, B, and C. Okay, so we need to know that it started at 15. So on the number line, it started at 15. And then at A, well, from the beginning to A, we went backwards 4. So its position at A is going to be 11, because we started at 15 and went backwards 4. Position at B, well, we're at 11, but then we went right 5, so that'll be 16. And then at C, from 16, we went backwards 24, so it'd be negative 8. Those are all positions in centimeters for each of those times. And number 15, the greatest positive. What's the greatest positive acceleration from 0 to b? Okay, acceleration is, it's the second derivative of position, but we have a velocity graph, which is the first derivative position, so all we need to do is find the derivative of this graph and find, and that'll be its acceleration. We want the greatest acceleration from 0 to b. So what's the greatest slope from 0 to b? Well, it's negative. And I think the book actually says positive acceleration, so we know that it's positive starting here. It's barely increased, and then right here I'd say it's going to have the steepest positive slope from 0 to b, because then it starts to level off, and then it's 0, and then it's negative again. So the greatest positive acceleration, we're trying to find where it happens. It would be at time of A is the greatest acceleration in the interval from 0 to b. And then the last question, greatest positive acceleration from 0 to c. Okay, so far we've got A. Now it's 0, now it's negative, it's 0 again, it's increasing, increasing, increasing. So as long as we're going to the right, it's going to go faster, the more and more acceleration or slope. So then we really have to just consider this versus this. So it looks like it's a little steeper at C, so that has a greater positive acceleration than at A. So the answer in the interval from 0 to C would be at time equal to C. C is included in the interval.